In this video, we'll go through how to navigate the dashboard view in Dear Lucy. One difference between Dear Lucy and other dashboards is the actual view itself. The dashboards are truly dashboards in the sense that all the most important metrics are visible from the first view. In other words, you don't have to scroll down the dashboard to find additional metrics hidden there. Instead, you can design your own dashboards per user group or per use case, and you can have as many dashboards as you like. Dear Lucy gives you both an overview and lets you zoom in on the details at the same time. Hovering the mouse over a chart will, for example, give you all the detailed figures for a specific month. You can also click anywhere on a tile to drill down and find, for example, all the deals that make up the overall figures in the dashboard. You can also sort and export these tables if you like. Another truly valuable feature in Dear Lucy is the ability to track your performance against your goals. As you can see in this dashboard, the green light indicates that we're on track to meet our sales target this month, although the red light in the tile below shows we most likely won't win enough deals. The goal editor can be accessed through the dartboard icon in the bottom left corner of the tiles. Another popular feature among our customers are the drop-down menus. These allow you to see, for example, deals by type or sales by person. With the drop-downs, you can drill down even further into the data. If I select, for example, Anna from this drop-down filter, all the metrics on the dashboard will show only Anna's data. Last but not least, we have the icons in the bottom right corner. The play button will activate an automatic circulation between your dashboards. The square will put your dashboard in full screen mode. The pen is the dashboard editor, taking you to the admin side to edit the particular dashboard you're looking at. The cogwheel takes you to the main admin menu. This pretty much sums up how to navigate Dear Lucy's dashboard view, but please don't hesitate to get in touch if you want to know more. Thank you.